Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Ibis Paint X and importing the photo. This gets you straight into editing. Once imported, crop and rotate to frame your subject, choosing a 4:3 or custom ratio depending on output. Make a duplicate of the original layer right away so you can edit non-destructively. This keeps the original safe. Use the Move and Transform tools to position the image. Make sure to name layers clearly so you can find them during detailed work. Now you refine color and tone. Open filters and tweak hue/saturation, brightness, and contrast to correct exposure and mood. Once done, add a new layer for retouching and use blur and sharpen selectively to emphasize depth. Smudge can smooth transitions. For skin or small blemishes, zoom in and use a low-opacity eraser or clone technique on a separate layer so changes remain reversible. Make sure to toggle visibility to compare before and after as you work. To finish, review layers and decide whether to merge visible ones or save an editable PSD copy for later. Once satisfied, flatten as needed and export using PNG for transparency or JPEG for smaller files, setting resolution, 300 dpi for print or 72 dpi for web. Make sure to adjust export quality to balance size and fidelity. If something goes wrong, reset brushes or layer settings, check opacity and blend modes, and use the history panel to step back before reapplying fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.